Apple is quietly preparing one of the most radical transformations in the history of its compact tablet lineup, and the leaked specifications for the upcoming iPad Mini 8 suggest that this small device is about to deliver an unprecedented leap in performance, display technology, and portable power. For years, the iPad Mini occupied a very specific niche, an ultra-portable device beloved by pilots, gamers, field professionals, digital artists, and tech enthusiasts who demanded maximum capability in the smallest possible footprint. However, supply chain insiders, display analysts, and industry whisperers have now revealed that Apple is no longer treating the Mini series as an afterthought or a secondary refresh. Instead, the iPad Mini 8 is engineered to become a high-performance pocket monster that bridges the gap between ultra-compact consumer tech and pro-tier computing efficiency. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more tech updates. As we unpack every single breakdown, engineering schematic, component order, and software optimization leaked about the iPad Mini 8, it becomes abundantly clear that Apple is addressing virtually every limitation, compromise, and criticism that hovered over previous generations. From a revolutionary display overhaul to raw silicon capabilities designed specifically for onboard artificial intelligence, this upcoming iteration represents a decisive turning point for compact mobile computing. To understand why the iPad Mini 8 is generating such massive shockwaves across the tech community, one must first look at the defining upgrade that lies at the very surface of the device, the display. Historically, compact tablets have suffered from compromises in screen quality, refresh rates, and panel construction compared to their larger Pro siblings. Early rumors surrounding the iPad Mini 8 pointed toward incremental tweaks, but recent supply chain dispatches from major display manufacturers in South Korea and Taiwan paint a far more dramatic picture. Apple is officially transitioning the iPad Mini lineup to advanced OLED display technology, marking the end of standard LCD construction for the compact series. This shift to an OLED panel is not merely about richer colors or deeper blacks. It represents a fundamental redesign of how light, contrast, and energy consumption interact on a small screen. With individual self-lit pixels, the iPad Mini 8 will deliver absolute black levels, infinite contrast ratios, and vivid color reproduction that will make HDR video consumption, graphic design, and dark mode navigation look strikingly superior to any compact tablet currently available on the market. Beyond pure contrast and color accuracy, the display upgrade on the iPad Mini 8 addresses one of the most persistent requests from the user community: promotion technology. For multiple generations, power users complained about the standard 60 Hz refresh rate, noting that scrolling through dense documents, fast-paced web pages, or high-frame rate mobile games lack the fluid smoothness available on the iPad Pro and high-end iPhones. Leaks indicate that the iPad Mini 8 will feature a variable refresh rate display capable of ramping up to 120 Hz when rapid movement or high frame rate interaction is detected, while dynamically dropping down to power-saving frequencies when viewing static text or still images. This dynamic adaptation ensures that user interactions feel instantaneous, liquid smooth, and remarkably responsive to the touch or stylus input, all while safeguarding battery longevity. Furthermore, display architectural reports indicate that Apple is engineering the panel with refined subpixel arrangements to completely eliminate panel response inconsistencies, ensuring that every swipe, scroll, and drag across the screen remains uniformly sharp and stable. Underneath this brilliant new screen layout, the iPad Mini 8 is set to receive an absolute powerhouse of a brain. Inside industry circles, the exact chipset powering this compact device has been the subject of intense debate, but consensus among trusted hardware analyst reports points directly to Apple's latest top-tier silicon architecture. Whether configured with a customized variant of the A18 Pro or an early iteration of the A19 series, the processing unit inside the iPad Mini 8 is built on an advanced 3nm fabricati. On process, This cutting-edge manufacturing node allows billions of additional transistors to be packed into an insanely small physical footprint, drastically increasing computational density while suppressing power draw and heat generation. For users, this means that the iPad Mini 8 will not just handle everyday web browsing and media playback. It will effortlessly run desktop-class applications, complex 3D rendering engines, intensive audio editing suites, and high-fidelity mobile gaming without flinching or throttling under sustained workloads. Thermal management in small devices has historically been a challenging puzzle for hardware engineers, as compact chassis designs offer very little surface area for heat dissipation. With the iPad Mini 8, Apple has reportedly redesigned the internal structural layout to incorporate an optimized thermal dispersion system. Leaked engineering schematics suggest the addition of specialized graphite sheets combined with a redesigned aluminum midplate structure that draws heat away from the central system on chip and spreads it evenly across the rear housing. This subtle but crucial thermal optimization means the processor inside the iPad Mini 8 can sustain its peak clock speeds for significantly longer periods. Gamers running resource-heavy AAA titles, video editors exporting high bitrate 4K footage, and professionals running continuous background processing will notice a tangible difference in thermal performance, as the device stays comfortably cool in the hand while maintaining peak frame rates and execution speeds. Another massive leap forward for the iPad Mini 8 revolves around memory bandwidth and overall unified RAM capacity. As modern operating systems become increasingly reliant on complex, multitasking, and on-device machine learning, memory bottlenecks can quickly hamstring even the fastest CPU cores. Recognizing this necessity, Apple is reported to be bumping the baseline RAM configuration in the iPad Mini 8 to at least 8 GB, with rumors suggesting potential high-tier options with even higher memory limits. This upgrade in RAM size is paired with fast LPDDR5X unified memory architecture, drastically increasing data transfer bandwidth between the processor cores, the graphics engine, and the dedicated neural engine. High-speed memory is essential for keeping multiple applications active in background memory without constant app refreshes, allowing seamless context switching between demanding productivity workflows on the compact screen. The inclusion of elevated memory hardware on the iPad Mini 8 is directly tied to Apple's aggressive rollout of Apple Intelligence and local generative AI models. Modern localized artificial intelligence requires significant instant memory access to hold complex language models, predictive contextual engines, and real-time image processing frameworks directly on the device without relying on remote cloud servers. With a neural processing architecture packed into the iPad Mini 8, users will experience ultra-fast contextual language processing, intelligent text summarization, live audio transcription, advanced object removal and photo editing, and personalized Siri capabilities that execute instantaneously offline. By executing these computational tasks locally on the iPad Mini 8, Apple guarantees both lightning-fast responsiveness and tight data privacy, keeping user prompts, personal documents, and context data safely confined to local encrypted storage. In terms of physical design, housing aesthetics, and overall ergonomics, the iPad Mini 8 builds upon the sleek, industrial aesthetic introduced in recent years, but introduces refined structural enhancements that elevate its feel and durability. Supply chain leaks hint at slightly slimmer, more uniform display bezels surrounding the OLED panel, which subtly increases the active screen-to-body ratio without expanding the overall physical dimensions of the chassis. The chassis itself retains its signature lightweight, flat-edge aluminum enclosure, crafted from 100% recycled aluminum alloys designed for maximum structural rigidity. Despite packing a more complex display panel, expanded memory chips, and enhanced thermal shielding, internal component consolidation allows the iPad Mini 8 to maintain an ultra-thin profile and a feather-light hand feel, ensuring it can easily be held in one hand for hours during reading sessions, flight navigation, or field inspections. Color off. Rings for the iPad Mini 8 are also rumored to undergo a refresh, shifting toward a refined palette that balances modern consumer appeal with professional elegance. Leaked anodization samples suggest Apple will offer classic finishes like space gray and starlight alongside vibrant yet sophisticated hues such as deep indigo, warm copper amber, and a muted sage green. The exterior coating is expected to incorporate an improved anodization treatment designed to reduce fingerprint smudges and micro scratches, keeping the matte aluminum finish pristine even with heavy daily use without a protective case. Additionally, corner impact structural points within the chassis have been reinforced, ensuring the lightweight frame maintains high torsional strength against accidental drops, pressure, or flexing inside tight travel bags. The physical button placement and security architecture on the iPad Mini 8 are also refined for seamless biometric authentication. The top power button continues to house an ultra-responsive Touch ID fingerprint sensor, integrated with modern capacitive reading technology that authenticates fingerprints in a fraction of a second, even at odd angles. Some leaks have speculated about the potential inclusion of Face ID modules beneath the display bezel, but insider component orders strongly indicate that Apple is sticking with the top-mounted Touch ID array for the iPad Mini 8 to preserve thin bezel aesthetics and avoid intruding notch or pill cutouts on a smaller display screen. This sensor allows rapid unlocking, instant Apple Pay authorization, and secure password autofill while keeping user biometric data locked safely inside the secure Enclave hardware module. Connectivity on the iPad Mini 8 is taking a monumental step forward, aligning the compact tablet with modern enterprise and high-speed data transmission standards. The USB-C port situated at the base of the device is expected to receive an upgrade in transfer protocol capabilities, supporting high-speed USB 4 and Thunderbolt data transfer rates up to 40 gigabits per second. This massive pipeline expansion means the iPad Mini 8 can instantly transfer massive 4K video files, raw photography catalogs, and heavy database folders to external storage drives in seconds. Furthermore, this upgraded port allows the tablet to drive high-resolution external monitors at full native resolution with low latency, turning the compact tablet into a surprisingly capable desktop workstation when connected to a dock, external keyboard, and mouse. Wireless communication hardware inside the iPad Mini 8 is equally future-proofed. The internal wireless architecture embraces Wi-Fi 7 capabilities, enabling multi-link operation, ultra-wide frequency channels, and significantly reduced signal interference in congested wireless environments. Whether streaming 8K video content, downloading giant software suites, or participating in crystal-clear video conference calls, Wi-Fi 7 ensures rock-solid stability and maximum throughput speeds. For mobile professionals who rely on constant connectivity on the go, cellular configurations of the iPad Mini 8 will feature an advanced 5G modem subsystem supporting expanded global frequency bands, improved signal reception in remote areas, and heightened power efficiency during active cellular data connections.